Good evening, YouTube. Green Goblin here. This is my Springfield Prodigy 5-inch. Before it was bazooka green on the slide. Black grip, black frame. I was sick of the green, so I wanted to play around, and I put a new Chile grip on this. Since I took the Chile grip off and I put it on my Alchemy Quantico high cap, but since then I've sold that and I had a factory Prodigy grip, and I just prefer the slim aggressive texture of the Chile, so I bought a new one when they came in stock with the Chile bolts there, the grip screws, get EGW thumb safety. I fitted myself, blended it, tried blending this the best as I can so that the way there's no overhang for your nail to catch on. EGW slide stop. I fit that oversized slide stop. I mean, that makes it work a lot better. Hollison EPS on the top. Monsoon tactical porting. I did a little blending there. Just messing around trying to smooth everything out. It's not the greatest, but I don't give a shit. The trigger is, I dialed in the trigger. It's probably 2 3/4, 3 pounds. Little reset. Very little play. But I can't wait to shoot it. You can hear a little bit of the Cerakote left. From just the extra coating. Just been putting a little Trident oil from Schumann Performance, Shawland Performance, Rob there, however you say his last name. I'm just going back and forth. It's smoothing up. The only thing that I polished on this was the feed ramp. I don't know if I can get a good shot of it in there. If I had a flashlight, I shot it, but it's a mirror finish. You can see a little bit there. And I did do the Marvel cut on the slide, and I polished that so the disconnector just runs nice, and I polished the disconnector in there, so it just runs so smooth. Lockup is super tight. I can't wait to shoot this thing again. This was exceptionally accurate pistol before. Hopefully everything stays the same. You could hit a 10-inch plate at 100 yards with this, probably out of a 17-round mag, 13 to 14 times. It's just, it blows me away how accurate this is. I mean, like I said, that Quantico high cap, that shot that was super accurate, and this is shot just as good. A couple SVI Infinity sight trackers. I mean, those are nice, but you know, a $1,500 gun, maybe into it for now. 18, $2,000, but it's still thousands less than all the high-end 2011s, and this thing is just amazing. Well, it's probably into 25 with the grip. So, and you know, optic light. I just took those off other guns, but no, that's it for now. I'll give an update when I shoot it.